Hello everyone, welcome to KSR Data Vision. Myself SI Babu. Today I am going to talk about Power BI November month updates. So Microsoft releasing Power BI updates on regular basis. You will find Microsoft latest updates from this blog. This is the URL powerbi.microsoft.com. I will provide this link in the description below. So now I will walk through this what are updates they released. So if you see first, make sure you have to update your Power BI desktop to this version. I'll walk through later in this video how to see your latest version number in Power BI desktop. So what are the features they released? So in this month, these are all features released by the Microsoft. In Copilot, they are supporting to Power BI mobile apps. Still, it is in preview stage. In reporting, they are supporting for path layer for the Azure map visual and visual calculations, small multiples for the new card visual and a new text slicer. So in this way, if you go through this blog, you will get all details what they were released in this November month updates. So let's jump into the Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop, first you want to check which version currently you are using. So for this you have to go in this help button. So if I am click on the help, then there is a option called about. So in this about, it will give one pop-up. In this you will see here, see this is the November month update, exactly what I shown in the blog, the same. So now my Power BI desktop is up to date. So in this, first you have to know that how you will get the these updates. For this, what you have to do, go to file, then here there is a option called option and settings. So when I click the options and settings, here there is two more options. In this you have to click on options, it will open one window. Yes, so in this option we have two type of options are there, global level options and current file level options. So in under the global level options, you have to go preview features. When you click on the preview features, these are the features currently in the preview stage. In this, so you have to select this new card visual, button slicer visual, list slicer visual, text slicer visual, then only it will appear here. Until and unless you didn't check this new card visual, button slicer visual, list slicer visual, text slicer visual, it won't appear here. Once after selecting this one, click OK. Now from this month updates, today I am going to talk about three major updates. So in this, one is text slicer, second one is small multiple in new card, third one is tile slicer. So first I will walk through about text search slicer. So if you see, this is my sample sales report. In this I have a lot of visuals. So in this I am showing sales by segment, sales by month, and sales by region, and I have one table also is there. So if suppose my client wants to see the particular product sales, what you will do, you will go to this slicer, you will select this one, immediately it will filter the slicers. So nowadays so many products are having the same name with a different category. Suppose I want to see only Canon product. So what I will do here, I have to go and I have to see the Canon product names and I have to select each and every slicer. So for this, what I will do, I'll take this text slicer. So this is the text slicer. So here what I will do, I'll drag product name over here. So I am adjusting the length. So now what I will do here, simply I'll search Canon. I'll search Canon and I'll click on this button. So if you see what are the products started with Canon, the every product is now filtered. So this text slicer will be very useful to us. So whenever we want to filter the one kind of group parameters, then it will be so helpful. But keep in mind that still it is in the preview stage. Until and unless it has GA availability, don't use this in the your production environments. So this is about text slicer. Next I am going to the next topic. Now I will talk about small multiples in new card visual. So first what I will do, I'll select new card, then I'll drag sales, profit, and order quantity. So I will adjust the width. So I will go to formatting options. First I'll select here all and I'll turn on the accent bar and I'll select as a top. So it came here as a top. So I'll increase the width also to 5 pixel. Here what I will do, I'll select shape as a rounded rectangle. So I'll adjust this round corners to 15 pixel. So this is okay. Then what I will do, I'll select sales. Then I'll change the sales accent bar color to blue. Then I'll select profit and profit accent bar color to green. So next I'll select order quantity. I'll select some other color, let's say purple. Okay. So what I will do, I'll keep it to default stage all. Then I'll go to callout value. I'll decrease the size of this KPI to 40. Then I'll select the label color to black and I'll make it as a bold. So I'll make it to center alignment, both label and value. So now what I will do, this formatting completed. Now my requirement is I want to see region wise sales, region wise profit, region wise order quantity. So now what I will do, I'll select this card and here there is a option called small multiples. So simply I'll drag the region in the small multiples. See, we have to adjust this visual. So I'm doing the adjustment. So now it came to central, east, south. So there is one more region. See, this is west. So if you want to see all regions in a at a time, so go to formatting options. There is a option called small multiple layout. So here you can just increase this one 4. Now it came to 4 regions: central, east, south, west. So what I will do here, there is a option called grid line. So you can turn off this grid lines to this one. So I'm turning off. So this grid lines went away. So as well as I will turn off the border also because it is not looking good. So everything was gone. So now what I will do, I have to do some coloring to this region. So I'll go to small multiples header. In this we have background color. Let's say I'll select this color, dark green. So I'll select font as a white. So I'll make it as a bold. So now if you observe, there is no gap between this one and this one. Here we have perfect gaps. So for this, what we will do, so in the layout we have a option called padding. Here just you can increase the pixel. Then you will get the gap between region element and card element. So this, okay, perfect. Now where is the gap between this central region cells, east region cells, south region cells and west region cells? For this we have to increase this one. So if you increase bottom pixel, then you will get the gap between this one. So this is where your multiples will be used in this card visual. Now I'm going to talk about tile slicer. Before that, I'll walk you through how to create parameters. So now here what I'm seeing category wise sales, technology this much, furniture this much, and office sales this much. So now my requirement is I have to see the total sales, total profit, total quantity, and total customers. So for this I will go to modeling. In the modeling we have this option new parameter. Just click on fields. So now I want to create a parameter. So for this what I will do, I'll expand my measures table. Just I'll drag total sales, total profit, total quantity, and total customer, and I'll rename this parameter as a new parameter. So I'll create. So here there is a button called add slicer to this page. If we check, automatically once I click on create, it will add a slicer to the page. So now I am hitting the create button. So now if you observe, see the slicer is automatically created. So so slicer is created now. How it is pointing, so it is pointing to default slicer. So now what I will do, I'll convert this to tile slicer. So this become as a tile slicer. So now if you see, three KPIs are in top and one KPI is in the bottom. So I want to make it is in a single line. For this, what I'll do, here I'll go in layout, I'll make it as a 4. Automatically it will come in the single line. So now what I will do, so I don't want the see the new parameter. So what I will do, I'll turn off the title, that's all. So now I'll come here. So what I will do, here there is a option called selected icon. If you turn on, so let's see, it is like, it's kind of a selected icon. So now what I will do, I don't want to see the borders here. So my requirement, I want to see only this circle and this KPI name. So for this, what I will do, I'll turn off the border. Go to buttons. First I'll select this to default stage. Default stage we have border. We'll turn off the border. And so now if you see, it's it's like a button. If I select total sales, it is not reflecting. Why it is not reflecting? Here I dragged sum of cells. So what I will do, I'll remove this one and I'll drag my newly created parameter. See now this is total sales by category. If I select total profit, now it is showing total profit. So now we will focus on this. So what I will do, I'll go to here and first what I will do, I'll selected icon. In the selected position, selected icon, it required me to in the black. So then, and button also in the selected, it should be in the black. Then what I will do, I will go to call out values, selected value. Then I'll select it as a black. Now nothing is there, nothing is displaying here. For this, what I will do, I have to turn off this background image at the selected condition. So in the selected condition, there is a option called fill. So you have to turn off this fill. See, if you turn off this fill, automatically it appear, it go away. So now if I select total quantity, it is changing to the total quantity by category. If I select total customers, it is changing to total customers by category. But here I found one observation, when I'm selecting something I'm filling, it is not bolded. How I figured out this is the selected value? For this, what I'll do, I'll go to call out values. Make sure you have the state is selected condition, just bold it. See now it is bold. So what I will do, I'll adjust this one, and if I select total quantity, this one total quantity, and if I select total profit, it is showing total profit by category. But here there is a challenge. So what is that challenge? I'll tell you. So it is changing. Where is name? Where it went away? So I'll go to general. I'll turn on the title. Oh no, not for this one. I'm sorry. So I'll select bar chart. So here nothing is there. For making sure that whenever we are selecting any slicer, accordingly you have to change this chart name also. For this, what I will do, I'll select this bar chart, and here there is a option called conditional formatting. I'll select conditional formatting, and here you select field value. just here whatever we created new parameter, just select this new parameter, click OK. So see, now it is displaying automatically total counting. If I select total customers, so it is showing total customers. Now if I select total sales, it is showing total sales. So now if you are asking, so what is there in this use, it is also available in the same slicer. No, I'll show something for you. I'll enlarge this size. What I will do, just I'll place this slicer into this position. See, after publishing it into the services, so if I am selecting this one, it is changing. So this is where you can create your own visuals, and you can explore and you can implement in your projects. So this is about third feature what I am talking about, tile slicer. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. Thank you all. We'll meet you in the next video.